Electronic digital thermostat. Enjoy perfect wine every time with the BODEGACOOLER compressor wine cooler refrigerator, the ideal wine enthusiast wine refrigerator. Our advanced compressor technology ensures that the temperature remains unaffected by external heat sources, providing a stable environment for your wines. With a temperature range of 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit, you can store even sparkling white wines with confidence. Quiet cooling system. Let BODEGACOOLER 24-bottle wine cooler take care of your collection. Equipped with a built-in fan, it maintains a consistent temperature throughout, creating an optimal environment for long-term wine storage. Say goodbye to worrying about temperature fluctuations and let your wines age gracefully, preserving their fullest flavor and aroma. Double-pane thermopane glass. Protect your precious wine collection from UV light with our double-pane glass door. Not only does it provide insulation, but it also acts as a shield against UV rays that can damage the tannins and overall flavor of your wines. Rest assured that your wines are safe and well protected. Soft interior LED lighting. As a wine collector hobbyist knows the fact that the strength of different lights can greatly affect the quality and taste of the wine category. This BODEGACOOLER 24-bottle wine refrigerators uses a soft LED white light to illuminate, which not only allows you to easily monitor the temperature and internal condition of the compressor wine cooler refrigerator, but is also a favorite luminosity for wines and other liquors. Compact size wine fridge. This wine fridge freestanding has a built-in smart memory chip. In the case of a sudden power failure or reboot, it can be restored to the original settings without the need to reset. Dimensions are 16.92 inch D x 17.71 W x 29.33 H inches. Enhance your wine tasting experience and keep your collection safe with the BODEGACOOLER mini wine cooler.